Hey guys, this is Eric from Daytona Jeep and Golf Cart Rental, and today I'm going to do the trailer hitch on the Tesla. This is what it looks like. There's a couple keys, and then the actual trailer hitch itself. So we're gonna get started. I already took 2 pins out here, you can see, and then there's a plate underneath here. Going to get you guys set up so you can see what's going on here. There's 2 pins, you just pop those out, and then there's a little clip you take out there. So everyone wants to shove this like right up in here, and it doesn't do it. There's a little tab here with a key that you put in. Grab a key, make sure you don't lose these, and put it in, turn it to the unlock position. You can see the unlock position right there. This actually pulls out and twists forward like this. It makes these ball bearings loose. This, you just push up in, turn the key, and it's locked. That's it.